Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babahatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, hinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingsiyo ka barit but hila ban legu ban kuli da ka education loan. Hila ruban syukola ho number kandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani kandai pran riu laisan, ar riu kandai pra.
Ka Shillong All Faiths Forum hakash potre unailar arajar pulai kalarakhe ya ka jingya Lynti ka ba Snem Kynthi kum ka Kynhun ka ba lumlang ki Jaitniam Bapher banwanra ya ka shongsok shongsan bat ka bha kamiat jong ki Jaitri Bapher ki ba shong basa agni ki jala mekhlia hakini ki jingrakhe ka ba long ha bianchi hol la imkhra Shillong la sakhilang da ulat ka jala upagu chauhan ubalalong kum kongsan ringkat ka jingdon lang Jong President ka Forum u Bishop P Lingdo bat kiwi kinoyalam ba kenthop yu secretary Reverend Father Richard M Majau u Naba Bhattacharji u Dr Omar Lin Kindia u ba Nur Nongrom bat kiwi la penchong kun ya kini jingrakhe da ki jingsha tanra jong ki Kynhun Bapher
The Shillong All Faith Forum, Saff, was founded on the 10th of August 2020 in Lynti, Shillong, with the onslaught of the coronavirus pandemic 3 years ago. Leaders of different faith communities and some individuals got together with a concerted commitment to engage with this unprecedented adversity and to lend support and guidance to members of different communities in the state of Meghalaya. The basic principles of the Saff is to promote peace, harmony in society, and to uphold the value of human dignity and to respond to specific situations or needs of the society. 13 August 2022, the General Meeting of the Saff was held on the 13th of August 2022 at 2 p.m. in Umshilpi College, Laban, Shillong. It was in this meeting that the new and present office bearers were elected. We have Bishop P. Lingdo as the President, Mr. Naba Bhattacharji, the Vice President, Father Richard M. Majau, the Secretary, Mr. Arup Barua, the Joint Secretary, and Reverend Nambar Suting as the Treasurer.
I think all of you agree that environment या पर्यावरण एक ऐसे धागा है, it's such a strong thread which binds all religion and faith together. There is no religion or faith which does not acknowledge the importance of environment. Whether we see the Hindu way of life, we Sanatanis, if you see in our Vedas or in our Puranas, we will see that our way of life has been intricately linked with environment. In fact, even we have sacred rivers and mountains whom we worship. And this itself is a true manifestation of that spiritual link. When we talk of the Buddhists, we all know non-violence has been the epitome. And as we see in the Buddhist scriptures, they say, be like a bumblebee. Go to the flower without disturbing its fragrance, its blossom, its color. Take the scent like you take the fragrance of life and move along without disturbing the flowers. In Christianity, you find hundreds of verses in the Bible which glorifies nature. The Christians believe that it was God who created this universe, and if humanity wants to disturb this biological diversity, humanity will do so at its peril. When we come to the Muslim religion, in Quran you find it is said that the divine form has created the earth for you to settle and the sky above to give you shelter. So we should not disturb what has been created. We have to be in sync with nature. Similarly, in Sikhism also, it says that you are the creator of the trees, the stream, the mountains, the waterfalls, the forests. So it is you who has to conserve. So in all religious or faith, you find among the Sankhasis the Jaitniam and the inherent linkage of heart to heart with nature, where the traditional faith that the creation has come from the navel of the earth, that umbilical cord. So I think this is something, that environment which all binds us together.
Religion is often considered by some a source of discrimination, disagreement, and disunion. However, this narrative is not in harmony with the mission and the vision of Saff, a conglomeration of faith-based organization. Today we have gathered here to celebrate the union of religious institution or faith-based organization representing Hindu, Islam, Christianity, Sikh, Buddhism, the Nyam Tre and the Nyam Kasi. This union is not without a purpose. The primary principle of this union is to serve for the society regardless of what religious belief a society favors. In this context, I am reminded of the work of a renowned French sociologist, David-Émile Durkheim, who stressed that the function of religion is to serve for the society regardless of how it is practiced. The history of the second millennium AD is viewed as a history of hostility, religious and social conflict. In several conflicts, including the Israeli-Palestinian conflict, the Syrian civil war, and the wars of Afghanistan and Iraq, religious elements are overt culturally present. However, today religious institutions have a major impact in reinforcing social unity and stability, as well as an agent of social control and thus strengthening social order in the society. In order to promote religious harmony, I personally feel that it is necessary to be familiar with the fundamental teachings of the world religion: Christianity, Islam, Hinduism, Baha'i, Buddhism, Sikh, Jain, etc. Before I issue my seat, may I remind you of the hymn on the action from the Holy Vedas. I quote, "O mankind, I bind you together towards one objective, the welfare of man. Toil together with mutual love and goodwill. May you share the comfort of life equally. May you accomplish your work with mutual accord. And finally, may you, in pursuit of your ambition, at all times engage in working together with goodwill. May Saff bind us together towards one objective. Long live Saff."
ऑल फेथ फोरम के अध्यक्ष आज मिस्टर लिंदो जी, शेख की वाई पदाधिकारी एवं सदस्यगण, यहाँ उपस्थित सभी महानुभावों, कवियों, सज्जनों, देवियों, सज्जनों, आज इस प्रोग्राम में अलग अलग फेथ या आस्था के महानुभावों के बीच आकर मुझे अपार हर्ष हो रहा है कि फेथ या आस्था जीवन के असली आनंद प्राप्त का मूल मंत्र है। शांति, सद्भाव, पर्यावरण अर्थात हारमोनी रिक्वायरमेंट के सुंदर विषय जिसे आपने प्रोग्राम के लिए चुना है, क्योंकि पीस और हारमोनी देवत्व और मानवता की पहचान ही शांति एवं सद्भाव है। इसके बिना कोई भी ह्यूमन जनरेशन सभ्यता की श्रेणी में नहीं गिनी जा सकती। भारत के यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी बफर कुटुंबों की भावना के फोकस करते हुए अपने चर्चा में प्राथमिकता देते रहे हैं। इस दिशा में शिलांग आर्ट पे फोरम का गठन इसी प्रकार के आयोजन के बहुत ही सराहनीय काम है। इस योजना के लिए जहाँ सभी धर्म और आस्थाओं के लोग मानवता के कल्याण और शांति के प्रभाव के साथ साथ मैं आपको बहुत भूल प्रशंसा और अभिनंदन करता हूँ। आस्था के नेता के रूप में आपने बहुत ही सही रास्ता दिखाया है। ईश्वर या प्रकृति के विश्वास करने के कई तरीके हो सकते हैं, लेकिन सबका निर्माता एवं स्वामी एक ही है। जैसे मानव शरीर में कई अंग होते हैं, लेकिन शरीर का एक होता है हमारी आस्था, विश्वास, नफ्स, रंग, लिंग, भाषा, संवाद, संस्कृतियाँ इत्यादि अलग अलग हो सकती हैं, परंतु हम एक हैं। परम पिता निर्मित धरातल पर हम सबके सभी प्राणियों के साथ रहते हैं। पर्यावरण हमारी धरती माता है। पर्यावरण में वो सभी प्रकृति संसाधन शामिल हैं जो कई तरीके से हमारी मदद करते हैं तथा चारों ओर से घेरे हुए हैं। हम आगे बढ़ने तथा विकसित होने का बेहतर माध्यम देता है। मैं आप सभी को फेथ के नेताओं से अपील करता हूँ कि आप लोग सभी लोग शांति और सद्भाव के मार्ग पर चलने तथा दूसरों को इसी रास्ते पर चलने के लिए प्रेरित करें। आपको जो प्रेम सद्भाव सदैव बना रहना चाहिए। मुझे पूर्ण विश्वास है कि आप सभी लोग शांत और सद्भाव से एक दूसरे के पास मिलजुल कर प्रेम से रहते हुए अपनी धरती माँ को प्यार और उसकी देखभाल करते रहेंगे। यह हम इस दिशा की ओर अपना कदम बढ़ाएंगे। मुझे पूर्ण विश्वास है कि शिलांग फोरम फेथ फोरम देश के शांति एवं सद्भाव के लिए अच्छा मंच तैयार कर सकेगा।